Hi, this is Janet, and today I am working with Rinea Foiled Paper, and we are going to fold some butterflies. What you're going to need for this project is a pair of scissors and a square of Rinea foil. What I have in front of me here is the Starstruck, which means it has a star pattern on it. It's the same color on both sides. I'm going to be working with teal, turquoise, and silver to make butterflies. You only need one square to fold a butterfly. So I'll set the other ones aside and start with this piece. To begin, you're going to take your square and fold it corner to corner and make a seam. Unfold it and do it in the opposite direction. Then unfold that, and we're going to fold it in half. But this time we're doing it linear instead of diagonal. Make a good seam, open that back up, and do it again the other direction. So once you're done with the folding, you have what looks more like a pie shape or 8 pieces, 8 folds. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the fold from each side and fold in half, but then we're going to take that side and tuck it in and under. So you're going to follow along those fold lines up to the center point so that that tucks in like so. Okay? And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to follow the fold lines and tuck it in so it looks like this. Okay, so now we have a triangle, and if we look from the side, this is what it looks like. Okay, then we're going to take that and fold it in half. Now the side that opens up with the 4 points like so, we're going to take our scissors and cut a curved shape right there. Take your scissors and just cut into it a nice curve. If you want to draw your shape with a pencil instead of guessing at it, you can do that. And then you're going to open it back up one time. Okay, so we're back to this shape again here. Okay, with the curves on each side at the top. Now you're going to take that curved piece and fold it down towards the center and do the same on the other side. Okay, so you can start to see the butterfly shape. Alright, now turn it over and take your pointed piece here, and we're going to lift it up and over this point. So you can see here it will lift up some, and then we'll start to curve it a little bit. So we want it to come up higher than this edge here and fold that point over, and that's what's going to hold the shape in place. And then all we need to do is kind of fold our butterfly in towards the center like this. Okay, so that triangle is going to hold the shape, and then we're just going to manipulate the wings a little bit. You can see I'm adjusting them with my fingers, giving them a little bit more roundedness to them down here. And there is our butterfly. Okay, you can make a variety of these in different sizes. You can also add a wire antennae to the piece if you want. What I've done here is underneath that folded piece, I have just inserted a piece of wire that I have bent into that piece, folded the piece of paper back over it, pushed it to the center again, and then adjusted the wires as you desire. Okay? You can make these in a variety of different shapes, as you can see here. And then, how nice that would look as a decor piece if you had like a wood panel like this. And what if you laid them out on here? We'll include our green one. We'll take the antenna out since none of the other ones have it. So there you can see that they look really sharp on a wood panel. You can add as many or as few as you like. You could add a sentiment here. It's kind of fun just to play around with them until I like the arrangement. But there you go. That's how you fold a butterfly using Rinea Foiled Paper.